Hello everyone. Today we're going to keep working on our Hello World program. Today's going to be a lot of fun. So let's go back and take a look at what we did. If you added the IRB in the bash.aliases file, like I did, I think I deleted mine. Go ahead and delete that line, because we're going to do something a little different. In fact, I had it right there. So if you still had it like that, go ahead and delete that, save. Now you should have your normal terminal with just the message coming up. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a new review script. Empty folder. I'm going to call mine my cnd.rb, because we're going to be making our own commands. Okay? Close. So how are we going to do this? So today we're going to be working with global variables, procedures, blocks, and strings. To start off, we're going to make our class, and I'm going to name mine my _cnd. Make sure there is no space. If you're going to break it up, use the underscores, and make sure that your first letter in the name of your class is capitalized, where you'll come back with an error. So the first thing we're going to do is make a global variable, and how we do that is with the $sign. This is a global, which means this variable can be used within any of the programs that you load this script into. I'm going to call mine this one startx, just to show you how it works. The equals is setting a value, or setting a command to the variable. So startx equals proc, which is short for procedure. And then we're going to use this bracket, and then backtick startx, backtick, and close it. Just that easy. Do another one for retro pi equals proc, same thing, backtick, emulation station, and I'll go ahead and make one for Cody. Equals proc Cody. And for the heck of it, to show you, we're going to do a update. Now we're going to do this one a little bit differently. Proc. This one is going to use the system command, not the backticks, with the quotation. Then our command sudo apt get update. Close it out, and then we're going to use this bracket, and then we're going to add system sudo apt get upgrade. Then we close that out, close that bracket out, and close that one out. And then we're going to close out our class with end. Save it, and we're going to check it for errors. Before we do that, let's come over and open up our hello.rb script. In this one, we're going to type in we'll do it up here for proper coding organization. Require which is also similar to load, but it doesn't load and activate the script. Require loads everything, pulls from the script that we want to acquire from. Require dot backslash my underscore cmd. Close it out. Save. Open up a terminal. So we have one error. Require home pi, and it's going to be in my cmd on line 5. Unexpected identifier expecting keyword. Did I forget? Let's see. Line 5. Okay. And there's a syntax error. Unexpected keyword end. Alright, let's try it this way. Take those brackets off. Add a plus sign between it. Run it. Close this one out. The new one. Proc system syntax. Okay. Nope. That's right. We gotta put these, both of them, in the brackets. Those brackets. Because we're making a string. System unexpected keyword end. Check something out real quick. Just did it the other day. Rubian. Get to see part of my pet project here. Open. I'll do it this way. Make this one into its own variable. Upgrade equals procedure. That should be happy now. Really? Syntax error. Update. Oh. I do that all the time. Now, there we go. Now it's working. So down here, we're going to put in IRB.start, which is the Ruby telling it's the Ruby way of starting IRB within a script. So we save that. IRB, okay. I'll just do it that way. Will work a little bit. We'll do it differently. We'll go system IRB, just to make it simple. And we know that it works. And we don't want to do it in there. We wanted it to want it on that one. Close. We want it on our hello system IRB. This is where we want that. So when we run it, we still get our hello message. So how can we tell that our commands have been loaded in? Well, we can test it out by going using the require method. My CMD. If it comes back false, then it means that it's already loaded. True. I think I need to put that down there. Anyways, for us to test it out, type in *x. It should come back as a procedure. And there it is. So how do we use our procedures? Well, we'll use the update to show you. Update.call. This will call that procedure. You can also, let's move this, down there. See if that helps. Require my CMD. Okay. Equals true. So we can also string them together like this. Update.call plus upgrade.call. You can also break it down like this. Require my CMD. Let's see. I wonder. Require IRB. Save that for later. But we can also do this. We can go make another variable, a equals update.call plus upgrade.call. Which after it gets done, if you hit A again, it will reload. But let's see if that helps. Require my true. Okay. You know what? Let's cut. We'll do it this way. Cut this. Oops. Paste. There we go. We'll deal with that for now. Exit out of this. We know that's good. Pi. View. Show hidden. Come into the bash.aliases. try to remember. Anyways, I'll look into that some more too. I did it, I got it somewhere, but I'll figure out how to be able to load our commands into it. Once I remember how to do it, I will get back to you. Before I leave, try one more time. You know what? Let's look it up real quick. Top level button. If you care about a specific context, there we go. Let's try this. Paste, and we're going to change this to we'll cut this. We'll put that there. See if that works. Yep, there we go. Alright, so require IRB, IRB.setup, nil, IRB.config, main context, Irb.new.context. Anyways, this right here will start it up. Just make sure that you have your require my CMD right here. I will also post this in the description. That way you can copy and paste it. But until then, y'all have a good one. And we'll work on this a little more on the next tutorial. We'll start doing directory commands. Pretty much the same process. But give it a try. Now, for the Start X, if you start up when you reboot, don't try to do it in Raspbian. I can't stress that more enough. It's a pain in the butt to fix. I mean, not really a pain in the butt, it's just aggravating. But when you reboot your Pi, it will pop up with this. So all you gotta do is go startx.call and it will load. See how much time we got left. At 19, ooh, might be over time. But anyways, I hope you have fun. I hope you're enjoying these lessons. It sounds like I'm just rattling it off to myself right now. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. You can find me on Facebook, in the RetroPie forums, in the Raspberry Pi forums, and you can ask questions in the comments. Please feel free. Also, show off what you're able to do, what you've come up with. I would love to see what you have come up with. Until then, y'all have a good one.